Hi, I'm Mark from Distributors, and today I'm going to show you how to fit an Arena LeMans in just a few easy steps. First, the LeMans comes in one box. Double check you've got the right product, as LeMans are handed. If it swings to the right, you need to order a right hand. Let's have a look inside the box. You've got 2 trays, fitting instructions and template, bottom bracket, top bracket and fixing screws, a side bracket, an axle, 2 axle brackets, 2 side brackets. Now I'm going to show you how to fit it. So you need a minimum cabinet depth of 500 millimeters. First of all, position the template and mark the bottom bracket and the top bracket. Now cut the template to mark the side bracket. Fix the bottom bracket and drill a 5mm hole 12mm deep. And now we need to fix the bottom bracket. We're now into the assembly, and none of this needs tools for the fitting or adjustment. First, click the side brackets into position. These are height adjustable. Next, fix the axle, locking it into position. Attach the axle brackets. Adjusting the height is easy. Finally, position the 2 trays on the brackets. Just to recap, position the template, mark the position of the top, bottom and side brackets, drill pilot holes and screw in the brackets, click fix the side brackets, fix the axle, fix the axle brackets, fit the 2 trays onto the brackets. Don't forget the add-on self-closing mechanism. And that's it, how to fit a LeMans in a few easy steps.